Memories Scrapbooking Edition. Today, I will show you how to make a scrapbook for all those special memories with your friends and family. So stay tuned and let's get scrapbooking!
So this is what I will be using. Yellow cardboard, markers, a pair of scissors, glue, some glitter glue, a beautiful pink glittery bow, gold ribbon, some colored paper and one with a pattern, a hole punch, and a ruler. Now let's prepare the material. First, fold the card in half. Make sure it's even and press down on the edges and corners. Did you know that scrapbooking helps you develop creative skills and stimulates your brain? Now cut along the line that you've created. This will give you 2 equal halves. Now that you've cut all the cardboard, it's time to make some holes. Using the hole punch, make 2 or 3 holes. I will be making 3. Now measure and cut the ribbon. Now measure and cut the colored paper with the pattern. Then measure and cut any colored paper of your choice. Let's put the scrapbook all together. First, thread the ribbon through all the holes. Make sure that it pulls and holds nice and tightly. Tie this at the back of the scrapbook so that it holds all the cards together. Now create the cover page. So I'm using this pink colored paper and pattern colored paper to add to the bottom of the cover page. Now I'm going to title this my scrapbook and draw a beautiful heart and write creative memories. Now I'm going to glue this beautiful glittery bow to my cover page and decorate.
All done. It looks great, right? So in the next video, I will be creating the first section, my family first. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.